gotten a hotel. They are quite everywhere around this section. But at a gas station, hotel. I don't know, maybe the reason is cost them too much to repair and make it like update to a new one, and they just give up on it. You forgot something yesterday here when we were at this park. You forgot this. You forgot this outside. I played with Kitty yesterday at this park in the shade, and I forgot to pick it up. And we've been losing a bunch of her toys. I bring them inside and I completely forget all the time to pick them up. She just play and push them like whatever, and I completely forgot that we had that outside. But this one we got it back. So we are in the town of Wawa. Wawa! Wawa is full of geese. Like, they put geese everywhere in their town. I don't know why. Maybe that's where the name comes from. Wawa. Wawa. I'm not awake. I need a cup of tea.
Morning, can I for you?
Hi, can I get the large Earl Grey black?
Large Earl Grey tea black, anything else?
Everything bagel, toasted dry, with 2 peanut butter on the side, please.
Anything else?
That's it. Traveling? Yes. From British Columbia. We're going all the way to Quebec.
Nice. There you go.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thanks. She thought you were really cute, kitty. You are like this. Right. It's the last Tim Horton for, I don't know, for a couple of days. I don't go on Tim Horton all the time, but yeah, it's nice once in a while to not cooking. Even though a bagel, it's take 2 seconds to do in the van, but I don't buy myself bread very often, because if I do, I'm gonna eat the whole thing like all the time in one day. Kitty, I'm not even started. Didn't even open. Why do you know it's that? Like, I know. Aww, you can see from here, kitty. Are you coming to see the waterfall closer, kitty? All right, ready? Let's go. That's another beautiful waterfall. Kenny's more curious about the rocks and other stuff than the waterfall itself, but typical cat. think there's another trail that go further. That was fun, but the mini mosquito are out in this area. I never saw those type of bird before. It's so strange. That was cool. See, there's another giant geese there. And another one. Alright, so today we are going to a new area that I've never been. So we are leaving the main road that most people take to cross Canada, and we are thinking of crossing completely the Ontario to go to the north of Quebec and to Rouyn-Noranda, which will be the first town in Quebec that we're gonna meet. But this stretch, for what I look on the map, doesn't look like it's got any big town or anything. So we're gonna fill up on grocery here and start exploring. I think we're gonna see a lot of lake and trees and wildlife and all that stuff. Alright, grocery was expensive, so I just got like essential-ish. You know, with grocery a little bit expensive, you're just like, did I really need this? Did I really need that? And don't look at my window. I went to the gas station and I thought I would clean my window, my top window with the windshield thing, and I make a mess. It's not good. So they had a small section of vegan stuff. I just got tofu. I just got the essential for maybe like 3 days or whatever, because in two days we should be back into a bigger town. So potatoes, yam, panko, because I'm maybe gonna make something with the yam, and thing for my breakfast. Up on the side of the road, the sun decided to come out. It's supposed to rain later on today, and I'm in a provincial park. I don't know what I'm supposed to look. It's called a pothole. So we are currently on this road right here. I'm gonna take this one and go on the Quebec side. Alright, looks like we can see some rock formation. Let's go check it out. So it feels great. I've been kind of like slowing down a little bit on the driving lately. Just my body needed. It sounds crazy to say because I'm only driving like 2 hours a day, 3 hours. But I was really tired. I was having a lot of like shoulder pain that was giving me some headache, just I guess from the driving itself, and constantly sitting down, plus sitting down when I edit and all of this. I was just like, oh, we need to get out of the van. And the weather, like, you know, we had a little bit of smoke, not too bad, but still. So it's been great right now to enjoy nature a little bit more. We have a tornado. That's a pothole. are the cutest little flower. Look at that. It's just not very clear if the trail continued or if that was the end. Did I go there or go there? This doesn't look like a trail. Maybe that was the end. Whew, I changed. The humidity of the East Coast is officially started. It's hot. Alright. Oh yeah, I think that could work here. That's gonna be a spot for tonight. Wow. I wish I had a boat or something. Someone lost his wash. Alright, we're gonna put here because I don't need a watch. Maybe the person's gonna come back without it, but whatever. Alright, kitty's out. I feel like I should clean my van. It's gross. The amount of bugs on it. But it's supposed to rain tonight, this evening and tonight and tomorrow morning, so hopefully it's gonna clean a little bit my van at the same time. Cooling down, kitty? Yeah. It's not that hot, but definitely a lot of humidity. It's sticky, so at least it's got a wind. I think we're supposed to get maybe some thunderstorm. I'm gonna let the van cool down a little bit and I'm gonna go put starting. I don't have any cell service here, but oh, I feel so itchy. Those mini fly, they just all over you. And it's just like, phew. And I had like my hair down, which was great, but the little bug was like getting stuck in my hair, so I could just see like, I was like, ah. I cannot really complain too much because we're north in Ontario. We're gonna go north of Quebec, and yeah, this is just, I think, the time of year where the flies are just out, so I'm gonna have to live with it. It's not too bad. Hopefully it's gonna stay like this. Did they got you too, kitty? Little kitty. Alright, so I'm gonna make myself a quick lunch dinner. Technically, it would be better if I was to cook outside, but it's got too much mosquitoes. And I don't like to cook outside. It's just like you kind of back and forth. Even if I try to bring everything outside, I always forget some stuff. So I prefer cooking inside. And the van cooled down a little bit, so that's good. So I think I'm gonna cook for two meals. I'm gonna put potatoes that I cut in very small amount, so they cook fast. I got 2 sausage left. May put 1 or 2. We'll see. I have some mushroom and some hummus. So we're just gonna make everything in one pot. My usual. There you go. My lunch dinner, and I'm gonna have obviously some left. The mosquito a little bit better now. I put the Starlink I just want to check the weather, if we're gonna have some storm and what's gonna be tomorrow. I think it's got more wind, so the mosquitoes are leave us alone. Yay. All right, no storm in the forecast, but rain for tonight and tomorrow morning. This is all right. Ooh. Katie's back inside. Are we closing the door before all the mosquito come back? So I hope you guys enjoy. That was just like this. I hope you guys enjoy. And we're just gonna relax here. Tomorrow it's gonna be a rainy day. We'll see if I film or not, or if I drove. We'll see what's gonna happen. It's starting to cool down. It's been great every night. It's been really, really cold. Today was the only day that was starting to be a little bit sticky. If you don't know the East Coast, Ontario, Quebec, it's a lot of humidity in the summer. Something that even if I'm born in Quebec, it's something that I'm not used to it anymore. Every time I'm like, this is what a summer was looking like. It's so much drier in BC in the summer. It doesn't have that much humidity. So yeah, so we'll see. Hopefully we're not, I look the weather and I think it's gonna be really great for the next week or two, so cannot complain too much. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I deeply appreciate all of you, and I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty hopes that I'm gonna give her a different type of food. Nope, that's what you get, Kitty. That's what you get. Oh yeah, you wanna give her a kiss? Can we have a kiss? Can we have a kiss? There you go. I know you give me a kiss because you think I'm gonna give you a different type of food. I know, you little girl. No, that's what you get. Oh, you can kiss me as much as you want. That's what you get, Kitty. That's it. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video.